What is up, Buck? I'm Doug with D&E in the Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to fix USB ports on a newer Jeep that are either intermittently not connecting or completely not connecting. Talking about these guys right here. Alrighty, here we are in my wife's 2019 Wrangler. This happens to be the 2-liter e-torque version, but it's the same in the 4xe hybrids. It's the same in the gasolines with the 3.6. Should be the same for your Gladiators, your Grand Cherokees, your Cherokees. You get it. Now, the specific problem the missus is having is with her USB ports here. No matter what cable she plugs in, they all have an intermittent failure, meaning they work fine, and then she takes a turn and they lose connectivity. So what we're gonna do today is replace the entire Media Mod port. It's a common issue on these vehicles for these to go bad and no longer make connection. All right, step one for getting to your Media Mod is gonna be to get your shifters out of the way. Go ahead and turn your car on, shift to neutral, pull your 4-wheel drive all the way back to low, put your main shifter in drive, pull your e-brake, turn the car off. It's gonna be real angry at you about what you just did, but we'll deal with the beeping. Now, next thing we have to do is get behind these HVAC controls. They actually just pop out. So if you have some kind of trim removal tool or another plastic pry bar, you can literally get behind here and you can kind of just let that guy hang. Now, the only fastener for the whole project is right here, just a little Phillips. You pop that guy out. And now the panel with your window controls and your outlets is ready to be popped out. Now what we're looking at here with these two cables is this right here in the top of the Media Pod right there. You're gonna wanna get these guys out of the way. And then there's another plug in the back of the Media Mod, a more traditional plug. And now all you're up against are these clips right here. There's 4 of them, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. You can get something behind those, like your little plastic pry bar, and start pushing them while you put forward pressure on this Media Pod. It's gonna start to slip out. And there you go. It slides right out. You can confirm that it is identical to the new one, which it is. Then you take your new one and it literally just slides in the hole. Wait till it clicks. Plug in your 2 USBs and your Deutsch connector. And then you reassemble. We push this back into its spot with the clips. Reinstall our fastener. And put our HVAC controls back in. There we go. Put all our shifters back. You're gonna need to be in neutral to get your 4-wheel drive back to all the way up, and then park. And that's all there is to it. I suggest you keep your old one because a lot of times these doors break off. I heard that that's an issue people have, and now you have a spare door. Additionally, there are other electrical issues that manifest in these Jeeps that I'm not going to cover today that could keep your radio or your USB ports from completely working. But if you're experiencing a situation where everything's normal and it's an intermittent connectivity issue, or everything else on the radio is working and it's just one or 2 of your ports in here, go ahead and change your Media Mod. I'll leave a link down below where you can find it on Amazon very inexpensively, and then it takes about 10 minutes to change. If you do end up having any questions, by all means leave me a comment down there in the squawk boxes. I'd love to help you get it figured out. If you do replace your Media Mod and you find that you actually have another issue downstream, I'd love to hear about it down in the comments. Maybe we can figure it out, and if it's an issue that needs discussed, maybe I can even do a video on it for you. But leave me a comment down there in the squawk boxes if you've had to solve this issue or a similar issue on your relatively new Jeep Wrangler, Gladiator, Grand Cherokee, Cherokee. I'd love to hear about it. If you like the video, that's common sense. Maybe subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to see y'all on the next one.